I'm Adam Epstein with the City of Eugene Planning and Development Department, and I'm kind of the tech mentor for this team and championing the project.
I'm Andrew Higgins. I'm working on the FBI Beacons team for community involvement, and I'm a student at Lane Community College, transferring to UO.
I'm Santiago Serra. I'm the art director for IDX Broker, and I'm working on a community engagement project, and I'm the designer for the project.
The big project push for this was planning and development wanted to have a way for the community to be engaged and to engage back to the city on all of the stuff that happened, both infrastructure, events, comments, because we don't get a lot of touchback. And these guys are looking at building an app, maybe also having the website behind it to have a map, show where things are, show the area affected, let people know ahead of time. We were going to try and use Bluetooth beacons and have push notifications. The beacon technology didn't quite come together, so they've already had one big rewrite.
Yep. Yeah, it was kind of just getting a way for people to communicate with the city and for the city to communicate with people, because right now the methods of doing it are not quite as widespread as they're wanting it to be. And having either an application or a mobile website where people can look up information and have it readily available can also provide more feedback to the city, so they can actually pursue construction projects and infrastructure projects and have more feedback and give people more info about those projects going on, so they're not surprised or anything like that.
I'm working on the UI and the basically making it simple and intuitive, because already coming across a street project or a city project, right, can be maybe a little frustrating for the community. So just making the app easy to use, and I think that's key, I guess.
Yeah, so it's going to have a map with some markers on it. The markers will show where something's happening, what type of activity it is, and then have links to something else that could be an education resource, a feedback form, or otherwise let people know, hey, you've got road construction coming up in 2 weeks. You might want to plan your route. Or, hey, Saturday market's starting up in this blocks. Or we've got a big show or art walk. And so these guys are putting map pins, got an interactive map, some ability to filter the types of events, and maybe even some push notifications if we get to there that can say, hey, you live or you've been through this area, we want to warn you about this.
The biggest thing for me is I just came here to learn. I didn't really have a lot of background coming in, so I just very recently started learning how to program, mostly self-taught. So it's a good opportunity for me to not just kind of be thrown into, get out of my comfort zone, so to speak, but also see what other applications and languages people are working in and developing. For me, it's exciting to see what kind of projects people come up with. That's a big thing, and seeing how a team of developers actually works through a whole time crunch period, and how those projects go from conceptual phase to actual development and then getting deployed. So I'm excited to see kind of what stuff people come up with and how they approach the problems and solve them.